This year, I'm participating in the Dolphin Cancer Challenge to raise money for cancer research. You might be wondering how exactly that money is used, but I've got an inside source. My husband, John, is a physician scientist with the Sylvester Cancer Center.
We work on non-Hodgkin lymphomas, which are a blood-derived group of cancers. And so we work on understanding why therapies work, and more importantly, why they don't work when they don't work. And so resistance mechanisms, and then we use that information to try to develop new approaches, new therapies.
All the funds raised in the Dolphin Cancer Challenge support research. Schatz Lab, like all the labs at Sylvester Cancer Center, benefit from the funds raised in the Dolphin Cancer Challenge.
So it could be used, for example, to establish a new core facility with a new research technique or ability. For example, they're building a proteomics core, which is a very high-resolution way of looking at the biology of cancer cells. We directly benefit from support from the Cancer Center and the research that we do, people that we hire, the resource, the reagents we have to buy, the equipment we have to buy and maintain. So all of that is heavily supported by that source.
Outside of the scientific community, we often think of cancer as one singular disease and talk about finding a cure for cancer. But the reality is actually quite different.
So overall, there's literally hundreds, thousands of different kinds of cancer. For the most part, you need to have targets that are specific to the tumor type you're working with. There already are hundreds of cures. We can cure many cancers. All those can do is gradually, step by step, increase the survival of each individual cancer a little bit at a time. We try to get that survival as high as we can. There's progress every year.
Donations of any size help researchers like John find more cures and help improve outcomes for people with all kinds of cancers. You can check the comments for a link if you'd like to make a donation.